So there is some more explanation about that one, EER. So this is semantic concept. Semantic is from understanding the requirements of the customer are incorporated into the original ER model and called enhanced entity relationship model. Okay. So example of additional concept of ER model is called specializations or generalization. Specializations means when you becomes more specific to the entities over there. Generalization means when it becomes more like a generic. For example, if this is a tree structure, okay, so if I'm going down into the tree, so I'm going more specific. See, so this is more specific, specialization over there. This one is more generalization. So the upper entity is this one is entity is generalization, and this entity is a specialization. So the further you go, you are more specialized in a certain entity over there, right? So maybe this is the entity for general employees over there, but this entity is for sales department only employee. This is for marketing department. This is for HR department. So these are the employees for the different department. HR department, okay, HR, okay, for this is for, like, for example, marketing, right, and this is for, let's suppose, sales over there. So these are also employees, but they are more specialized with respect to departments. This one just employees, okay. So some attributes which are specific to this one, we can keep it here. For example, the name of the employee and the ID of the employee. So they will have this. It is, you can keep over here. But some, like, a special thing which is attached to sales, for example, sales bonus. So the sales bonus is only attached with the sales department, not with the HR department, not with the marketing department, right? So marketing department will have other attributes special to it, which is not to the HR and which is not to the sales one. So that's why we use enhanced entity relationship management to have the concepts translated from the customer to the programmer.